Buongiorno, I woke up late yesterday. Even if it was Sunday, they had the Sunday Love event at Flash, which is amazing. Techno music in the open. Ended up being back at home at 10 p.m. Was a little happy, so ended up sleeping a little longer, but it's fine. We posted our beautiful 10 videos, and now we're making our nice 3 eggs. I don't know if I can make it to the gym today. I'm gonna probably play tennis with a friend of mine, and I got a few phone calls and a few things to do, so I don't have a lot of time. Normally I would film much more, but the night was so beautiful. I ended up staying there for a few hours, so at 10 p.m. I was back home, so this is the day after. So I didn't post a lot. The fact is, we grew a little bit. We got closer to almost 6,200 followers on YouTube. We had another 100 people on TikTok. And we are at 21 people on Twitch, which is not a lot because I just started it, but it's going, it's going. I made a beautiful risotto, had a beautiful call with a headhunter. She is amazing. She had a beautiful career path and then opened her own thing. And I love it of her, woman with her own business. And now we're taking Luna out, and then I'm gonna go play tennis with Fabrizio. And this is Luna. Ciao, Luna. We're now going to the tennis courts with the convertible. I love when it's cold, but the day is nice. You can open the top, it's just beautiful. How was your weekend?
It was good. I worked, but it was fun.
You worked?
I do work.
5:30 p.m. I just did my taxes. That's good news, finally. Actually, not really, because I'm probably gonna have to pay them because I'm not an employee anymore. So I do everything to lower your tax burden. 8 e mezza, abbiamo postato i nostri 10 video su TikTok. Abbiamo raggiunto 6.200 persone su YouTube e abbiamo aggiunto un altro 100 persone su TikTok. An audience, we're making pizzelle. Ho lasciato il link per le preiscrizioni al webinar sull'introduzione dei visti italiani gratuito che farò il 4 di aprile. Non ho mai fatto un webinar, quindi sarà molto interessante. Se volete iscrivere lo trovate sul mio profilo TikTok. In alto c'è un link, potete cliccarci sopra. At the gym, today, leg day. Ho fatto a beautiful pasta ragu. Now coffee, we're taking the dog out. And then we're gonna work on my BMW again to finish up a video. Ragazzi, ho deciso di fare la via giusta, ovvero saldare, anche se faccio cacare col saldare. La cosa bella è che ho fatto una live dove c'erano 2 ragazzi che mi hanno insegnato a saldare e cosa sbagliavo, perché la cosa importante è imparare, accettare di essere una pippa, imparare ascoltando, anche se spesso mi sentite arrogantissimo. Fatto sta, la saldatura non è il massimo, adesso devo scartavetrare, ma abbiamo una saldatura. Non l'ho filmata perché in realtà c'è poco da insegnare da una pippa come me. Magari che man mano che divento più bravo posso farvi vedere quello che faccio, ma oggi non mi sembrava il caso. Però dare le botte regge molto bene. Abbiamo pure saldato sotto, così che l'acqua non ci può passare. Dovrò adesso scartavetrare col frullino e poi possiamo mettere la pasta e pittare.